Good morning, everyone. This morning, everyone's getting up. It is, what time is it?
How long?
Already 7:45. A minute. Put it for a minute. We're just getting some breakfast. I've already cleaned the bathroom and got some laundry washing. Klayton is awake. He's having kind of a rough morning this morning. Are you having a rough morning? Yeah. I think he got up too early. He was awake at before 6:30, and then he stubbed his toe, and then he got his fingers in the mouse trap, and now he thinks he's cold. It is chilly out this morning. It says it's 62. I think it was like 56 when I got up, but the wind's blowing and it's cool, but it's really nice. It's very moist outside. And cool. What?
Fingers got stuck by that thing.
Yes.
How?
He stuck his fingers in them. So Kolter's gone this morning. He actually stayed the night at Grandma and Papa's last night.
Yeah, but he's going to come over because he didn't drink double last night.
I saw them drive by this morning. They already went by. So he left this morning to go help Grandpa. So Kolter's gone this morning with Papa to the field. They cut some hay last week and it was so hot and dry that by the next day after they cut it, they couldn't bale it because it was too dry. So they had to wait for some moisture, and this morning it was very wet. Still is very wet. So they went to go bale the hay. And the rest of us this morning, we are going to get chores done and get school done, and then just hang out for the rest of the day. So that's what our plan is. Right now I've got to go out and do the chickens. Actually, I may send this guy out there to do the chickens. He can go let them out and give them some water, and make sure the goats have got water. I'll probably go out there. I got to give the goats food anyway. So that's what we're doing this morning. My pool pump finally came yesterday. Don't know yet if we will hook it up or not. I'm gonna head out here and see if Kryspin, you haven't let the chickens out? Okay, well, hold on to him. Here's the puppy. He's just as cute as can be, and he's an ornery little guy. Hi, baby. Good morning. Good morning. Stay down. Good boy. Good boy. Hi. Hi. Oh, goodness. Girls, go eat your breakfast. You ate all of it? Okay. Hi, what are you doing up there? What are you doing up there? Huh? Are you feeling stuck now? Huh? You feeling stuck? Is it scary to come down? Hi. Hi, baby.
Hey, cat? No, this is...
That's your good boy. That's your good boy. That's a good boy, huh?
Cap. I know I am trouble. I just yelled for help. Mom. I am trouble. You sit there. Get off of you.
Alright. Come on over here.
And then I have this. Yeah, I get
Show him how to go that way. There you go.
These are my weapons. The spear. That's a good one.
Over here. See my goats. Hi, goaties. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Oh, goodness. What do you think? I got goodies? I don't got any goodies for you. I just came in to say hi. You're going to get plowed over. You. Yeah, I figured. Say no. Come. Come on. I don't want his ball in here. Minnie, take him back out of here. He doesn't belong in here. Thank you. Don't let him chase the chickens, please. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Hi. Hi, Patrick. Hi, Patrick. He was. And she whisked away through the trees. Oh dear, said Katie, and a great big tear ran across her nose. I can't carry anything in these short little arms. Oh dear, she wasn't any help at all. What are we going to do? And she just sat down and cried harder than ever. It's after 5 now. Kaylee's mixing a drink over there.
And that gives me zing!
Thanks for watching today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time. Bye!